Hey, what's going on? Matt from Icarryusa, and today we're going to do some tactical movements on the range. We got Rob Moy here. He's going to do some tactical stuff with us. We're going to go around the range. We're going to set up some barricades and cover. He's going to shoot around it. We're going to have some fun, all right? All right, when you're moving with the gun, break your elbows down so they're kind of like shock absorbers while you're driving, right, on the car. It's just enough for the gun. You're gonna keep the gun level with your eyes and level with your head. You're just gonna move slowly, like it's like a sneak up walk.
Okay.
Roll on your feet. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Nice and easy. Keep a good suspension stance, taking all the shock out of walking. You're gonna see your sights moving on the target. As long as they're on target, that's all that matters. Go ahead.
Pulled one.
It's all right. It's your first time moving and shooting. Like this. Like get there. Like get there. It's hard to fabricate like a high stress, high adrenaline, but just get your mind in it.
All right.
Ready? That guy's got a gun. He's got your sister like this. Good. Gonna do 5 rounds.
All right.
Go. It's almost going to feel like you're not walking, you're just rolling. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Yep.
All right. Go.
Yeah, that was good.
That was
good.
Like,
got a little sweat going on. It's okay. I'm not going to use that. Not going to use that. That Glock grip, you know, leaves a little bit to be desired. Grip. I know that there's nothing negative about Glock, but the grip just, when you're sweaty, leaves a little bit to be desired.
You could say go whenever.
Go.
Walking away by the time you got your
I know. Daggone
it. Start on flat ground, roll right towards the target.
Okay.
Nice and quick. That's a bad guy. He's got a gun and he's aiming at your mom. He's not like this, so you gotta be accurate. He's just aiming at her.
All right.
You like your mom?
I do.
You love your mom?
I do.
Put it on camera.
All right.
Love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.
All right, protect your mom. Get him. There you go. See?
You just had to bring my mom into it. Yeah.
You got a sister?
I do.
Oh, well now he's got a gun at your sister.
Right.
You like your sister?
I do.
All right, good. Ready? Go. Good. There you go. Not bad. Bag dump on it. All the way to the target. Don't pass the double barrels up there.
Okay.
Okay? That's too close.
All right.
Ready? Go. All your guns are like if other guns had babies with other guns.
Yeah, you're right. So
SIG 320, but with a 1911 style grip module. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It's not bad.
Really like it.
Nice trigger.
The trigger's really nice. It's smooth, light.
you know why it's a nice trigger?
Because it's not a Glock.
Because it's SIG.
Oh, it's got a long reset.
The reset, I agree. I was playing with the reset over
So maybe you were riding the reset and it just looked like you were coming off of it.
Now the reset is longer than a lot of pistols.
Yeah, so that's gonna slow your rapid fire down.
Yeah.
But if you just train with it and practice flicking, flicking, you'll be good. Flicking the trigger. All right, ready? We're gonna keep that walking.
Okay.
When you do 5 rounds up, stop 5 rounds backwards.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, you got it.
Dude, that was good. Better? Yeah, it was great. Good. It was good speed, good trigger speed, good movement. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, cool.
All right, let's do some other stuff.
Sweet.
We're gonna take that, what we learned there, you know, slow, steady, creeping up, nice and good shock absorbers, and we're gonna do a C drill around that barrel. So you're gonna walk up towards the target, shooting, you're gonna sidestep, boom, boom, change, back up.
Okay.
You don't wanna cross over, so when I say sidestep, turn your hips sideways and walk sideways, but facing this way.
Okay.
So when I say go, it's simply around the cover, right around the barrel.
Okay.
Okay? It's a slight tip right here, so you get around the barrel and then hug it right back into the back. So he's supposed to be behind the cover. When you're doing something behind the cover, you don't want to project yourself.
Yeah.
Just bend around, just like in Call of Duty.
Okay.
Bend around, boom, 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 come out, boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
Cool?
Yep.
Ready? Go. Yep.
That's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
So when you're bent like that, it's a whole bunch of different variables there.
Yeah.
Good trigger, good sight alignment. Press, press, press.
I'm out.
10 rounds! All right, ready? All right. They're all gonna be on now. I have faith in you.
All right.
Just when you bend around the cover, I know it's weird. Try not to look at the cover. Just look at the target,
Okay.
Press. Go ahead. There it is.
Better.
Dude,
Better.
yeah. I think it's your brain is trying to separate the cover and the target.
Yeah.
If you just look at the target, you're being more natural on it.
Okay.
So up here, that side step was like,
Yeah.
that's gonna throw your aim off the target.
Yeah.
So just turn your hips, boom, 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 boom. It keeps it nice and smooth.
Okay.
Think of like a shot glass on the end of the slide. It's full of water and you don't want to spill it.
Okay.
So any kind of big movement is going to throw your sights off. You want to stay on.
Okay.
So from here, turn. It's like a dance.
All right. So
You're
walk
dancing. There you go.
but don't
Now,
cross step, right?
turn your hips. Boom, boom. Shift your hips. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Try it dry first.
That feels so weird.
That was funny.
Yeah.
See the little, bam. Now,
So
come
you-
up here. Now you want to go that way. Turn your whole lower half that way. Good, just like that. Walk. Back. Good, just like that.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Cool.
All right, Coda's first impression of a SIG 365. He wants a Glock, but we're going to see what happens now when he fires the 365. Go ahead. Tight grip. Good. Yeah. Oh, I wish the camera caught that. You know what we're gonna do? Reload this, we're gonna do it again.
Did I do something?
Yes, I'm not telling you what you did because I want the camera to see it. Go ahead, do exactly what you just did.
Oh God. But now
I'm actually gonna stop you halfway and fix it.
Okay.
Pressure's on.
Rack sounded nice.
Hmm.
See it? Do it again. Why we keep this finger under the trigger guard, tuck it. Good, good grip.
Like
Because
that.
you're squeezing, when you squeeze this finger, you're squeezing this finger. In a high stress, you could be getting them confused.
I see.
So it's nice, steady pressure. Don't lose grip of your second hand. Good, like that. Perfect. Oh,
Yeah. A little bit.
good. Good, much better.
Is that all hits for SIG?
All hits.
You like it?
I mean, I don't dislike
First of all, you're a nobody fan. You're not a Glock fan. You're not a SIG fan. You think you're a Hellcat fan. Don't even own the gun yet.
Don't worry, we'll change that once we do SIG versus Glock versus Hellcat.
Yeah, we're going to find out for sure.
Yeah,
A
same.
little bigger?
Well, it's also
It's a
a different
different
module
grip,
on
too.
there.
Oh yeah.
But same grip length, a little longer barrel. So XLX with a Wilson Combat. This guy's got money I've never seen. Where do you get all this from? Are you single?
Stop it. No, I'm married.
Don't shoot the barrel.
All right.
You be the first one.
All right.
Yeah, right. I shot
a
that
lot of
barrel
holes.
a lot.
Yeah, nobody's ever shot that barrel before, so don't do that.
No,
That's our
those are,
that's our favorite
they come
barrel.
like that. They're vented.
Perfect. Yeah.
No one except Matt.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. Not bad. Straight across. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
All right. Good. That looks good.
It's the hips, man.
One out or no?
No, that was at least one. Yeah.
Okay. It's all in the hips.
Kinda like this.
It's all in the hips. So out of the holster, boom, 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 like just all the way through and then sideways.
Okay.
Go. Just don't dip it.
Okay.
Because you dip it, you gotta acquire a whole new sight alignment and everything.
Gotcha.
So just come straight across. You're far enough, you're not gonna hit it.
Okay.
So as soon as you see that bad guy break the cover, boom.
Okay.
Go. Start here. You're gonna shoot to that barrel. Once you break cover, stop shooting. Shoot, shoot, shoot. You should run out of ammo somewhere in here. If not, one more. Drop behind cover, reload your gun, come back up. Boom, 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 boom. Never had that
fucked it
problem.
up.
Too much ammo.
I fucked it up. I still got one left.
All right, come back. Top off that. Well, no, you got one in there.
I got one in. Yeah.
All right, let's start here then. Start here. As soon as you break cover, boom. Come back to here cover. Reload your gun. Come back up. All right. Behind cover. Behind cover. There you go. When you're going in the big target, because it's the closest target, square to that target. Boom, 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 boom. You're gonna still be walking.
Okay.
Right? And when you see the small target, the one up on the pole there,
I got you.
you're gonna shift everything. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
Always stay square to the target, unless you're
5
moving like this. Huh?
5 and 5 or? That was hard.
It's hard. When you operate like this and then switch, your brain's like new target and new everything. So let's practice it again. Go. Faster. Good you didn't stop. Keep moving in some direction to keep your mind moving. I'm still moving,
Okay.
Good. All right, so a little secret. Kevin has OCD. So when he's not here, I like to take something out of his bag and put it somewhere else. Screws his whole day up. You got your 22?
Nice, I do.
Let me see it. Oh my gosh, it fell apart! Hey, what's going on? So it was a great range day with Rob Moy here. He did a great job shooting around some tactical cover and really doing some good work. Learned how to move and shoot at the same time. What'd you think?
It was awesome. Great
Good.
time.
Good stuff. And like, comment, subscribe, and come out to the range and shoot with us. Hard, dude.
It is hard.
It's gonna rain!
We about to get wet.
It's gonna, oh, I feel it.
Yup, I feel it.